Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last month and how the price of gold can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there is two pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern you have to understand that these pattern are created from 2012 and to 2020, as I have already explained you in my previous video, that 2012 to 2020. After that, this trend has created from 2020 to 2022. Okay, after that what we have seen, there is most of the similarities you can see in this particular pattern, that both have created a U pattern as well as a downfall. After that it tries to made a swing at both their levels and it's trying to moving upside. You can see here also. Okay, before we move forward and explain you where the price of gold can move, if you have any doubt you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, as I have already told you that we have seen a swing forming at these particular levels, and now the gold price continuously moving upside from 3 months. As we can see, 3 green candles are forming, so chances are very high. Suppose if the price sustain above this particular level, which on a higher side, because 1918 is a strong support. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. If the price comes or below this particular, then we can see it can fall further low. Okay, but if it sustain above this particular level, now trading at around 1927, so chances are very high. Suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of around $1936, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $1956. Keep this in mind. Once it sustain above this particular level of around 1915, chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of around 1957, which is a weak resistance. So chances are high we can see it can go towards a level of around 1979, and once it goes above that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $2000 also, and then further upside if the price sustain, because this level we have seen resistance are already being weak, so chances are high we can see it can go upside. But suppose if it form a swing at this particular level, if it touch a particular support of $18, this is a strong support. You have to keep that in mind. We can see a bounce back can come from this particular level, but if it goes below this particular zone, then we can see it can touch a level of around 1915, and then from there we can see a level of $1886. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can come down again to a level of around $18, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 1915, and once it move below this level, we can see a level of $1906 to a level of around $1886. Okay, and once it fall below 1886, then chances are high that it can come down again to a level of $1859, and from there we can see it can fall further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail IDs in the description.
Understand something, why most of the traders lose money in trading. Okay, as you can see, suppose what I teach in my workshop, suppose you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that is 10 to 15% of capital, that is 1000 to 1500. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum loss you can take it 100. Okay, so maximum loss will be 500, so it will not affect your psychology the next day. Okay, what people do is they lose so much money in the first day itself, and then they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. This is what they do. So I teach in my workshop how to overcome all these things. Okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.